Hi there! In this video, I would like to show you how to clear Safari browsing history on iPhone. So firstly, open your phone settings and scroll all the way down to find Apps section. Now search for your Safari app in the list. For that, you can just scroll through the list or tap on the search bar and manually input Safari. So now the first thing we can do is scroll down till we can see section Clear History and Website Data. So by tapping it, you can select which time frame you want to clear. Last hour, today and yesterday, all history. And additionally, you can choose to close all tabs. So tabs you can see right here in the app. Let's choose, for example, last hour and tap Clear History. That's it. Now all of my history for the last hour will be cleared. Additionally, you can go in Advanced Settings, tap Website Data, and here clear its content as well. You can tap to remove all website data or tap on Edit, tap on Minus and do it manually. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.